Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we have a legendary event happening right now, Lurking Shadow with Giovanni and Mewtwo. As you can see, our next video is Take Down Giovanni Round 2 Hard, and beside hard there is a symbol. There's a up sign and I don't know what you will call that, star or something. If you notice or if you read the notifications of the game, so tapping on the notifications and tapping on legendary event Lurking Shadow, you can see that on the second paragraph it says, additionally the rewards for these areas below will be tripled once per day. So this is our first time to play this today and first time to play this ever. So the rewards for round 2 will be tripled. Round 1 we already had the triple bonus, so if you repeat that you will only get like single items or without the triple bonus. So with that said, this is round 2, Take Down Giovanni Hard. As per playing round 1, Giovanni's Mewtwo is really tanky compared to the other sync pairs beside him. So I'm expecting this to be a bit challenging. Let's do it. Guys, this is co-op, so you are cooperating or playing with other players from around the world. So with that said, I hope you guys are level 120 like me, or at least level 100. And I'll see you guys. Good luck.
You're in for a world of pain.
Entertain me.
It's my turn.
Now's my chance. Now's my chance.
Oh my goodness. My game is slightly lagging.
Leave it to me.
Smart players. I like you guys. Let's defeat them. Together. Attack together.
Leave it to me.
Snarl.
It's
Dire
my
hit,
turn
huh? Do I need to dire hit? I'm kind of lazy to do that right now.
Go.
Keep it up.
Miss? Miss? Are you serious?
Go.
Keep it up.
Pretty strong.
Strut your stuff.
Oh my goodness. These guys are tanky.
You can do it. Be careful.
Uh-oh. Mewtwo will be using his sync move really soon. Let's not make him do that.
Lovely. Together.
Awesome. Mewtwo, go die. What? He's still alive? Oh no.
Time to show off my amazing Pokemon.
Keep it up.
He's gonna die. He's gonna die. He's gonna die.
Just like we practiced. Strut your stuff.
You're still alive? There you go. He's dead.
Strut your stuff.
Go.
And time to kill this last one.
Keep it up.
Time to die. And that is it. We have beaten hard. Take down Mewtwo or take down Giovanni. Round
I was hoping
2.
you could entertain me a bit longer.
Victory. Let me just say nice to everyone. I hope you guys heard that. And first time rewards, like usual. We have 48 of these custom vouchers. I do not want to compute how many these are. I think 16 times 3, 6 times 3. Really? I don't know, 6. And 5 of these, 4 of these, and 2 of these. So That's it. That's it. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, give this a thumbs up. Comment your thoughts, share this with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. I appreciate all subscriptions, and I upload Pokemon Masters and Rumble Rush videos very regularly. We have 81 out of 800 right now, so good luck in your journeys, everyone. I'll see you in the next video with Take Down Giovanni Round 3. Thank you for watching.